I got a new RC. Got this. Let's open her up. Okay, you can put the box away. So this looks to be the remote box. Alright, let's put this to the side. Let's put this to the side. Let's open this up. This feels really nice. I'm not going to open these because these are obviously spares, so I'm going to put these aside. There's another thingy in the box. Battery precautions. I'm going to put all these little things into a bag, put these to the side. Spare tires. Oh, these ones are for water, for muddy areas. This is my first time getting a new RC, so it's 4-wheel drive. Nice. Dude, this thing looks sick. Let's take off the top. These things are really easy to take off. I'm not even giving effort. Yo, there's a fan in here. Yo. He's a fan. And also, I've never had an RC this nice before. Let's install that wheelie bar. Put this in first. Fumble around, we're trying to put it in there with the limited amount of space we have. Now let's tighten this thing up a little bit. Okay. Dude, I need to get batteries for this remote screwdriver. 2 AA's. Alright, got some AA's. It's going. I need to hold on to this like really. Oh my. You gotta pull it back to turn left, push it forward and turn right, okay? What just blew off?
A little piece of plastic. Alright, we're gonna go down to that curb down there, okay?
Go.
3, 2, 1.
So. Okay, you only take this one.